Can you elaborate about the location of the shot down plane? I mean, to my understanding, it was like in a territory of Pakistan. Because
No, they're not in the territory. They weren't.
Just
we were part of Pakistan. First of all, as far as it took India. One of Pakistan's great strengths throughout this whole conflict was our credibility and our transparency. Our transparency with the media and our transparency with our international partners. And we did shoot down 6 planes. Even the shooting down of those 6 planes was Pakistan showing restraint. Pakistan had 20 Indian planes locked that night. But only 6 planes had released their load on Pakistan when they targeted the civilian infrastructure within Pakistan. And the Pakistani military demonstrated immense restraint when they only targeted those 6 planes.